back to Classy Corner, your ultimate destination for all things home decor and interior design inspiration. Today, we are diving into the enchanting world of the cottagecore aesthetic and discovering how to keep it beautifully organized. We will explore 16 brilliant concepts to help you achieve a home that feels both incredibly cozy and completely clutter-free. If you love these ideas, please make sure to comment, like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more beautiful design tips. Utilizing vintage trumps is an excellent way to lean into the cottagecore aesthetic while hiding everyday clutter. These charming pieces function beautifully as coffee tables or end units while offering deep storage space inside. You can pack away extra blankets, seasonal pillows, or board games completely out of sight. The worn wood and brass hardware add an instant layer of historical character to your living room. Open wooden shelves allow you to display your most beautiful, rustic dishware as functional decor. By arranging ceramic mugs, vintage plates, and clear ingredient jars neatly, you create a warm, lived-in feel. This approach eliminates the need for bulky upper cabinets and opens up the visual space in your kitchen. Keep the look orderly by grouping similar items together and sticking to a soft, natural color palette. Woven wicker baskets are a staple of cottagecore design that provide versatile storage throughout the home. You can tuck them under benches, place them on shelves, or set them in corners to hold loose items. They are perfect for gathering stray toys, magazines, or knitting supplies that usually clutter surfaces. Their natural texture brings an organic, earthy warmth to any room while keeping essentials organized. Traditional wooden peg rails offer a simple and timeless solution for hanging everyday items in entryways or kitchens. You can use them to display dried herbs, linen aprons, or beautiful canvas tote bags. This keeps frequently used pieces within arm's reach without cluttering up your countertops or chairs. The clean lines of the wooden pegs provide structure while celebrating a nostalgic, utilitarian charm. Glass apothecary jars transform basic bathroom or pantry supplies into a lovely visual display. Fill them with cotton balls, bath salts, dried lavender, or loose-leaf tea to keep shelves organized. The transparency allows you to see exactly what you have while adding a touch of old-world pharmacy elegance. Grouping these jars in various sizes creates a curated, intentional look that prevents countertops from feeling messy. Replacing traditional lower cabinet doors with soft fabric curtains introduces classic cottage charm and hides clutter effortlessly. Choose gingham, floral, or linen textiles to add color and pattern to your kitchen or laundry room. These curtains easily slide aside to reveal hidden storage boxes, cleaning supplies, or heavy cookware. It is a budget-friendly organizing trick that softens the hard edges of standard cabinetry. An antique wooden armoire serves as a stunning focal point while offering massive storage potential for smaller homes. Inside, you can install custom shelving or clothing rods to organize linens, wardrobe items, or crafting materials. Closing the heavy wooden doors instantly hides any internal disorganization from guests. Its weathered finish and intricate details perfectly embody the romantic historical essence of cottagecore. Tiered wire baskets offer a wonderful vintage-inspired way to organize fresh produce or craft supplies. They keep items visible and aerated, which is perfect for onions, potatoes, or fresh fruits in the kitchen. The vertical design maximizes counter space and keeps surfaces clear of loose, rolling items. These metal accents contrast beautifully with soft wooden tones, adding a subtle rustic edge. A built-in window seat provides a cozy reading nook alongside valuable hidden storage underneath. Opt for a flip-top lid or deep pull-out drawers to store heavy winter blankets and extra bedding. Plump the top with floral cushions and linen pillows to make it an inviting focal feature. It serves a dual purpose by eliminating the need for extra freestanding storage units in the room. Vintage wooden letter sorters keep mail, documents, and stationery organized on a cottage-style writing desk. By assigning specific slots for incoming papers, you can stop paper clutter from taking over your workspace. Pair the organizer with brass pen cups and antique inkwells to complete the nostalgic aesthetic. This simple addition ensures your study space remains a peaceful, inspiring sanctuary for creativity. Shiny copper pots and pans on a wall rack frees up cabinet space while showcasing beautiful culinary tools. The warm metallic tones of copper bring a cozy, inviting farmhouse glow into the kitchen area. Organizing them by size creates a visually pleasing arrangement that doubles as wall art. This method keeps your most used cookware accessible and ensures your lower cabinets stay clutter-free. Styling bookcases with a mix of literature, small plants, and vintage trinkets prevents a heavy, messy look. Leave breathing room between items rather than packing every shelf tightly with books. Stack some books horizontally and others vertically to create visual interest and structure. This thoughtful curation turns a basic storage unit into a storytelling feature full of warmth and personality. Heavy ceramic crocks are perfect for holding kitchen utensils right next to the stove. Instead of stuffing spatulas and ladles into drawers, you can corral them into these antique vessels. The earthy stoneware texture looks beautifully rustic against wooden countertops or tiled backsplashes. It keeps your cooking tools organized, upright, and immediately ready for your next baking project. Utilizing the empty space beneath your bed is a great way to hide out-of-season clothing and extra linens. Choose low-profile canvas bins or wooden rolling drawers that slide smoothly out of sight. Cover the sides with a long, ruffled linen bedskirt to maintain a seamless, dreamy cottage appearance. This clever solution keeps your bedroom sanctuary feeling spacious, calm, and completely unburdened by excess items. A wooden wall-mounted spice rack keeps your favorite herbs organized, and frees up valuable pantry shelving. Transferring store-bought spices into matching glass jars with handwritten labels enhances the old-fashioned look. Displaying them openly adds a sensory, culinary charm to the walls of your cottage kitchen. It keeps your cooking essentials neatly aligned and prevents random spice bottles from getting lost in deep cabinets. An antique wooden ladder leaned against the wall makes a gorgeous, space-saving rack for cozy quilts and throws. Draping colorful, textured blankets over the rungs keeps them neatly organized and off the sofas. This vertical storage solution takes up minimal floor space while adding rich texture to the room. Thank you for watching, and remember to comment, like, share, and subscribe to Classy Corner for more home decor inspiration.